Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these easy peasy mason jar mummies that glow in the dark. To make the mason jar mummy, you need a glass jar, gauze, glue, an LED flashlight, scissors and googly eyes. So let's start. Take the gauze, open it and fold it like this. I have one ready. Now you should take it and wrap it around the jar like this. I am using a small jar. It looks really cute. You can also use a bigger one. Now after you have finished it, you have to cut off the excess and stick it. Like this. And now we have almost finished making it. We have to stick the googly eyes on the jar. Here. And then stick the other one. Just like this. Now take the LED flashlight on it and keep it inside. I have made another one with a bigger jar. They'll make a great Halloween decoration. Please do try making this at home. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.